If you've ever been concerned about parasites and maybe you've got some gut health issues, here are my 4 best herbal medicines for parasites that I love and I've had a lot of success with my patients over the years. Okay, the first one is black walnut. It's known as Juglans Nigra or regia, and a key chemical compound in the hull of the black walnut is known as Juglone. And black walnut is fantastic because it's effective against different types of worms and intestinal parasites like ringworm, tapeworms, even pinworms, threadworms, and of course other parasites that can be living in the intestines, which is very and much more common than what you may think. It's also antibacterial because of that juglone, and it also is an anti-candida. So this is fantastic because it will kill off that candida, and of course candida cleansing and doing it in the right way is really important, and in a gentle way of course as well. Now another one of my favorite herbal medicines for parasites is oregano, and the main components are usually the essential oils, some of which are called carvacrol and thymol in oregano, and these are very powerful antimicrobials, and it has been shown to kill specific bacteria which are often found in skin infections. That carvacrol also has antiviral properties, which is very interesting for our immune system, and it helps to delay viral disease progression and improves the resistance to infection. So coming down with, different viruses, or it could be a cold or a flu, oregano is very protective against that. One little caution though with taking the oil itself, so to use the oregano oil drops, it's not usually something that I recommend because it can be a little bit hard on the liver. So I actually prefer using the whole plant of oregano in a blend with some of the other herbal medicines that I'm talking about for parasites. Okay, another one of my favorites is cloves. And cloves are fantastic because this herbal medicine kills the eggs as well as the adult worms when we're talking about intestinal parasites. And the active component in cloves is an aromatic phenolic compound known as eugenol. And usually you're looking for 85% of those cloves have that active component of this phenolic. And this is important because it is antiseptic, it's antiviral as well, antibacterial, it has antifungal properties, and is known as an anti-helminthic. What does that mean? It kills parasites. It also helps to destroy the outer shell of their worms and of course their eggs and their larvae. So that's why I love the cloves for that effect at killing parasites. And the last one that I'll talk about is sweet Annie. This is known as Artemisia Annua, and this fantastic herbal medicine also weakens the parasite's membranes, makes them more vulnerable to the other herbal medicines that we're using to actually kill those parasites. Sweet Annie is also known to kill malaria and that bad bacteria H. pylori, which is often associated with stomach ulcers and that inflammation in the gut. Now, for more information on how to tell if you have parasites in the first place, please check out my video, 3 Early Warning Signs You Have Parasites. I'll see you there.